Nico here from I Paint Darwin. Hope you're all doing well. Another day at the office here. Today we're in Palmerston City. I want to show you guys how to paint a door frame quickly and efficiently. It's very easy. Come with me, I want to show you this big beautiful house we're about to start painting. Before we start painting the walls and the ceilings, we need to paint the doors and the door frames with the undercoat. Just quickly show you the house. Beautiful big house. There you go. It's got 15 doors and 15 door frames in it. Yeah. If you guys will just sit here and we'll get straight to it. And I'll show you how to paint a door frame. Hope you guys can see that. Okay. See this? Yeah. So the first thing we need to do always, want to have a drop sheet down to make sure we can avoid all the drops. Then we want to focus on 3 sections. First section is the top, this section, then the side, then the other side. The other first thing you need to do is have a screwdriver handy. You just take off the latch on the frame. Just makes it easier. You don't have to cut around it and paint right inside the hole there. Put that there. Then let's go. You want to do the front first. Now we're painting the walls with the intention, and we know we're going to paint the walls. Don't worry about dirtying the walls. It's actually good to dirty the walls in this case. So we're going to do the front. Make sure you're using at least 65cm brush, not a small one because you're going to waste a lot of time. Then we do the first half, this half, bottom. Then we'll do the other half of the bottom. Then we'll do this face here. So now that whole top section is done. So while you're focusing now on this side, whatever is going to run, just some runs in the corners here, is going to show later on. So you can wipe the runs just before you leave the frame. And again, make sure you get the edge of the frame. You're doing the walls, so don't worry about dirtying the walls. It's good. Put the paint on right down to the bottom. Now we'll do this half. All the way down. Used to recording, that's good. And we'll do the other half. the latch that we took off. Make sure you get right in the hole. Yeah. And all the way down. Now we just have this back face to do. Very good. Now all of this side is done. We can do this side. So, time is money, time is money. It's undercoat, so we just put it on nice and quick. It's really had the same way you put on gloss as well. Paint cures, self levels, as long as you don't leave it too thick. Do this half, front half. Okay. Now we do the other half. And we're painting the hinges in this house, so as long as you're undercoating the hinges, you're good to go. Just dirty them with the undercoat. Also, because we're doing the doors, undercoat as well, whilst we're cutting in the frame here, we cut in the back of the door edge. Voila. I'm going to shut the door new for 15 seconds because I need to paint the inside of the door frame. Voila, there you go. Hope you guys learned something, enjoyed that. Please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.